Right now with Point Borough's James Farah and Tanner Gordon, and so far how's the preseason camp?
It's great. I mean, we've been working hard every day. We got the new turf. We're getting down there early, so it's not that hot out, and we're looking good.
And what do you think some of the strengths and some of the things you have to work on as a team?
Strengths are we have a lot of returning players. We a lot of experience, but weaknesses. I don't know. I think we're looking pretty good, man. I don't think we have any weaknesses.
I wouldn't expose that to the opponent either, I guess.
No.
Anything coaches have stressed so far in the camp?
Just to keep it game by game. We don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, and just to work hard every day.
You guys won your division last year, but you still have tough opponents coming up this year. How do you think you stack up?
I mean, as long as we keep working hard, I think we have a good shot of keeping our mentality, you know?
Same question.
Yeah, I mean, we have a bunch of competitors in there. I mean, we just got to stay focused, and I think we'll come out on top every time.
All right, thanks a lot, and good luck in the regular season.